Salon people, they are telling a thank you. So I don't come back today.
African love, baby.
And today I'm in a very good mood, but in a disaffected atmosphere. I want to talk few things then where the money win our country. And if they not stop, they not tire, celebrate, no go ever tire or stop. Hey, number one, me and God are afraid. I'm not afraid of my talman. What's not the true or the talk? I keep a damn. I keep a bullshit. I want to tell first the comments in a salon say, from what they take power to now, if me the rate them, not 10% or over 100%. And the 10%, not so they get the 10% tobacco, now the patient, what the salon people they get, now they get the 10%. Then at zero, they not get no percent. Because everything but that party day, but that comment today, now revenge and backwardness. What then talking, people then they, what then they go offended. I keep a less, I keep a dumb, I keep a bullshit. Mr. Kwame, una not they do nothing in that country day. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Now make a read to Salon football no go ever go before. Then they I be don't talk about them fishing about. Number one, I don't want them. Any tell you start game now na green, white, and blue for where? Lord see they go take green vest, they give passing, or they go take red, but red, they don't want they wear red self. Green, Lord see again. Now the same bad luck on the bring out to you. Una they see Liberia they play na the country flag red, blue, white. Then they wear it. Nigeria they play na green, white, green. You they see Burkina Faso they wear their own. Senegal they wear their own white. Ghana they wear black and white. Who already go wear it? Lord see that they came. Number two, this is like talking to Mohammed Kalon. If I don't know, say they not like you. That FAD, they not like you. Hey, all the one that want they control football in a salon. Now big man, big fool then. They're not for the soccer, then they don't love soccer. Oh. Now who side then they get? Now in the one selfish interest. Now in the focus on. Because if they like football, then for be allow you. But you for don't know. You for don't know. Say all what then they do now for frustrate you. Look at them go, what in Navo, I go for talk to you, but in a tomorrow, I go talk to you. Any somewhere you day, you name for come up. Not up and good, but I go talk to you tomorrow. Not talk waiting, very important for us. And the other thing I want to talk, not to APC members there. We lack focus. And they talk this talk, they be there, they feel say, Sereket, not a lack of faculty and focusnation. No. Una always want to be the happy in that country there. What them actually people they first for destabilize APC. Where the comment where they na power. They humiliate people in a salon, then they kill people in a salon, then they beat people in a salon, then they drop better people in a salon. Una unlock una sycophants gongongo there. Don't now, what time don't reach for choose the flag bearer for APC, una don't bring una kill them for can't team up before. Now me go tell una what they call sa una bolo. La one from Petito, Richard Conte, and Kemosi say, now the Megale say on a Calabantede. What the party, the drown, rope, una get the rope down, no even, let the party honor for come up. Now the couch na gong for come team up. But I could talk to una, if I whooping me multiple una. I rob this about luck pa una, now next day they beat for nothing. Do you want to talk to APC executive? Pa Anes, Mr. Yansane, I want Leona think and the deputy chair, the deputy chairman, I want Leona think, and Leona no say, all the one and they will be the make show, Richard Concha de now, California Marade now, una be the reading. Won't be needed them, what the party need the most. Before that, they're all in a member of NRM. They're all in a member of NRM. Not them. Be the what took them over the day. What they go up in them what? For do. What you then do so? For bring we bien. But to God not they sleep. God na big man. Like I said, great na big man. I go talk to una. Sir great Africa love says so. I dare I do.
It's African love, baby.
It's African Love Entertainment.